Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. So today is the day. Today is May 14th, 2021. So today is the day that Samsung's high-end laptop, the Samsung Galaxy Pro series, becomes publicly available. So I ordered mine from Amazon, and because I live so close to an Amazon distribution center, so I received mine this morning on day one. So I'm super excited. Without further ado, let's go ahead and do an unboxing video to show you what's inside. Alright, let's do it. So let me put the Amazon box aside. So here is the box of the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. The box really reminds me of Apple's design. And this is kind of understandable considering that Samsung rolled out this high-end laptop series to compete directly against Apple's MacBook Pro. So the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro has two different variations. The first one is this Samsung Galaxy Book Pro, while the other one is the Galaxy Book Pro 360. The main difference between these two is the 360 one can turn into a tablet, while this one cannot. I will explain my rationale in my next video about why I decided to choose the Pro instead of the Pro 360. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro comes with two different sizes. One is 13.3 inches, while the other one is 15.6 inches. It also comes with two different colors. One is the Mystic Silver, while the other one is the Mystic Blue. So for this particular model that I bought, it's the 15.6 inches one in Mystic Blue color. Alright, let's go ahead and unwrap it and check out what's inside. So there are basically four items inside the box. We have the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro laptop itself, we have the user manual, we have the power adapter, and we also have the USB-C charging cable. So you can take a look of this. Both sides are USB Type-C. And this is the power adapter. And this is the user manual. Let's see what's inside. Quick start guide and warranty information. So let me put all this stuff aside so that we can just focus on the laptop. Alright, time to unwrap the laptop itself. So my first impression is that this Mystic Blue color is so gorgeous, and it matches so well with the matte black color at the back. So my second impression is how light this laptop is. This is only 2.3 pounds. This is arguably the lightest high-end 15.6-inch laptop on the market, period. So to give you a sense how light it is, so here is my 12.9-inch Apple iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard on. So to compare the weight of both of them, so the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro is almost like 1 pound lighter than the iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard on. So this is really good for travelers. So on one side, we have the HDMI port, the USB Type-C port, and the Thunderbolt port. And on the other side, we have the 3.5mm headphone port, the USB 3.1 port, and the micro SD card slot. Next, let's see whether we can flip the monitor up with one hand without tilting the laptop. Yes, we can do that. Alright, let me turn this around so that you can see the front of it. So one of the biggest selling points of this laptop is that this is the first time that Samsung brings its signature screen, the AMOLED screen, from its cell phone to a laptop to compete directly against Apple's Retina screen from its MacBook Pro series. So this video is only about the unboxing. In the next day or two, I'm gonna do a deep dive video to show what I like and don't like about this laptop, so that you can make an informed decision whether to buy one or not. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. Bye.